No, guys, we're not at Dollar General. We're at Dollar Tree. And we're going to do a store tour because I bet you we can find some awesome deals in here. And since it's a season and we got holidays coming up, well, you know you want to know. So come on in and let's do some price comparisons. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, we normally do Dollar General, but occasionally we'll do a skip across the road and go to a Dollar Tree or a Family Dollar, do a little price comparisons, okay? And that's what we're doing today. So, awesome information, just like every video. And if you don't want to miss awesome information and deals, steals, glitches, and free stuff, well, look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell, and that way you will never miss any of that. You'll be a crazy friend. And we'll tell you all about it almost every day. And everybody, please, on your way in, please like, share, leave an emoji, you know, all the good stuff that we need to do to keep YouTube happy. And, well, thank you very much. Love you bunches for doing so. All right, let's head into the store because I guarantee you there's some awesome stuff in there. All right, everybody. We are in the Dollar Tree. And when it comes to getting holiday stuff, there's no better place to go and get your holiday stuff. No cheaper place, no place with better variety. I want you to look at these little goblets. I mean, come on, $1.25. And even if you just got a little bit of a morbid sense of humor, look at the Day of the Dead cups. Love them. Little glass jack-o'-lanterns. You can load these things with candy for $1.25 or put a candle in there. The sugar skull stuff, I am loving. Look at this. Plates with the sugar skulls on them. And big ones as well. You have these big things for giving out candy. You've got illuminated light sticks with them on there. You've got a garland. You've got the little bags. These are big tote bags. If you're thinking about getting lots and lots of candy, there you go. And if you don't want to do a heavy costume, or you just want to do something inexpensive, look at here. We have these little masquerade masks. Okay, little girl masquerade mask, some of these flowers, maybe take some of these spiders and put them on a little dress. There you go, whole costume. And then we have these items right here. If you don't plan on doing a lot of kids, or you're doing Halloween parties for kids, these are great little giveaways. And look, we have the little multiple giveaway things. Oh, this is a pumpkin decorating kit. Look at this. A pumpkin decorating kit. You don't have to carve the pumpkins anymore. These are awesome. It's like Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, but pumpkin head. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is going to be the best deal. Yes, these are, to me, right now, the cutest thing ever. For $1.25. And look, we have these little metal buckets. You can put whatever you want in these little metal buckets. I mean, for the price, guys, $1.25 spooky coloring book and sticker books. For the price of this stuff, you can afford to decorate. Okay, we've got some outdoor decorations. They're already putting the Christmas stuff out. Look at these little lighted battery-powered ghosts down here. I mean, I'm just super stoked. It almost makes me wish I was not off the beaten path. There's no sense for me to do all this anymore because I live so far out in the country, but look at all this awesome stuff. Look at these things to go around your garden or on your sidewalk. This is awesome. We have some fake little styrofoam pumpkins for $1.25. This is awesome. All these little hanging pumpkins. And of course the little hanging ghost. Well, of course they already got our Christmas out, and they do already have the Thanksgiving items out as well. And the same goes for the Thanksgiving. These are Thanksgiving crafts. If you want something to do for your kids while they're out of school for the holidays, go ahead and pick up some of these Thanksgiving crafts. Now, look at this. Oh my gosh. Mini moon pies. These would be great to give away for trick or treat. How many is in here? 6 mini moon pies for $1.25. I mean, something different other than candy. Especially if you like yourself a moon pie. And they have vanilla. Mini cowtails. I've not seen these anywhere for $1.25. Look, we got little bags of Kit Kats for $1.25. Now we're into the other seasonal, and I don't want to think about this season quite yet. So we'll talk about that season at another time. But in the meantime, it is this time of year, guys. So support your local breast cancer purchase, okay? But do purchase something that supports Breast Cancer Month, even if it's something as simple as these ink pens, okay, or something like this little breast cancer magnet to bring awareness, okay, to those folks. Little sashes that say we care. We've got these little things right here, little tote bags. There's so many items. Just do a little purchase, and, well, you know, it helps. And anytime, if you have a little artist in your family, go get your stuff at the Dollar Tree. You've got all kinds of canvases and paints to choose from, and brushes and things like that at an inexpensive price. As well as, look at this. So many mediums to be painting on. Okay, I mean, look what we have now. Mini palettes. Oh my gosh, look at that, mini palettes. I mean, there's so much that you could do with this. Little miniature chalkboards that you could just write yourself a note. When it comes to paying $7, $8, $9, $10 for kids' socks, forget about it. Go to your local Dollar Tree, because you can get 2 pairs for $1.25. You can get, I know I've seen a 3-pair one. 3 pair for $1.25. You get these big, super thick, almost knee-high pairs for $1.25. Okay? These are knee-highs. Look at these cute little knee-highs for little girls. We've got unicorns. We just got the stripes. We got Kool-Aid socks. Cool Swedish fish socks. Chips Ahoy. Cup of noodles. I mean, come on. And it says, yes, men's size. I just don't see men wearing these, but teenage boys might. And again, 2 pairs of men's socks for $1.25. Most often you cannot get that. Okay, just saying. And we do have some of these for, it says men's, but these are boy size socks. Okay. Yeah. And I don't think men gonna be wearing dinosaurs. But look at these thermal socks. I mean, you will pay $8 a pair, even at Walmart, for a pair of thermal socks like this. And you can get them for $1.25. So, yeah. Get your socks at the Dollar Tree. Okay, I know there's a lot of you out there that take care of feral cats. And I've been trying to think of a way to... Normally I use old blankets and whatnot, but I've exhausted my supply of old blankets. And nowadays, even if you go to Goodwill, an old blanket or an old something like that will cost you $10. So I'm looking for alternative methods. And what I've thought about is these baby blankets, fleece baby blankets for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Because we can simply double these up and put them in the bottom of the kennels or... with our outdoor shelters. So yeah. Now I do want to point out these rice-a-roni bowls here are $1.25 compared to the $1.35 at the Dollar General. Same goes for the instant mashed potatoes. These are $1.25 versus the $1.50. And the Knorr sides again also. I think they're $1.65 now or $1.45 at the Dollar General. And at your local Dollar Tree, you can get them for $1.25. Okay, if you're one person and you find that when you buy stuff, you throw away a lot of stuff, Dollar Tree is where you want to be for your condiments. Alright? A1 sauce. This is normally $5 in the store. $1.25. The sweet chili sauce, usually $2 and change, $1.25. I don't know about the Heinz 57, okay, but I mean, it goes on and on. Frank's Red Hot, all this $1.25, and it is smaller bottles. Same goes for ketchup. We have the smaller bottles of ketchup, and then we have the bigger bottles of ketchup. But we also have these. So this is where my problem goes. I will buy a salad dressing, use it a couple of times, and not touch it again for days and days and days, sometimes months, and then I just have to throw it away. So these small bottles are great for one person. If you do Miracle Whip, the small bottles, things of Miracle Whip, again, great for one person. The smaller Boost protein drinks for $1.25. I mean, this is great if you need this stuff. Now, what I wanted to show you is the Cheetos mac and cheese. This is a 5.9 ounce box for $1.25, bigger than the Dollar General box, okay? So if you like the mac and cheese, I've not really done the Cheetos, I don't think. But if you like that one, then that's $1.25. The Kraft macaroni and cheese, $1.25. You got the spirals, and you've got your original noodles. And then you've got unicorn shapes as well for your smaller children. Okay, I'm almost tempted to get this, but this box is too big for me for sure. And then you got the Bold and Zesty. And of course, if you have the cereal problem, which is the same cereal problem I have, I buy those boxes when we get them on special, and I end up throwing a lot of them away because it simply goes stale because I don't use it fast enough. Now, what have we got here? We've got Manwich for $1.25. That's a great base for all kinds of stuff for the winter, including soups. We got the small jars of Prego fresh mushroom. Now look at that. It's another problem. You can make as small a portion of spaghetti noodles as you want. You end up having to make a ton of sauce though. You get it like this and nothing will go to waste. I don't like the canned sauces. So that jar is a great option. Okay. And look, we have a big variety of this fruit puree stuff for the smaller kids. And no sugar added, by the way. So if you've got little ones, we've got these little puree things. Make great snacks. Okay, guys, we are back in the car. And my total ended up being $19, which I don't think was bad at all, because I got mostly food items. And those food items that I purchased would have been a lot more anyplace else. So, like I said, Dollar Tree for certain items. If you've got the Dollar General, the Dollar Tree, the Family Dollar, and the Walmart in your area or close together, then in order to maximize your savings, you need to plan for your shopping. And that means knowing where the cheapest items are, what's on sale, and then mapping it out so that you can go and do those things. Like this morning, I've been to Walmart, picked up the few items at Walmart that were cheaper, and then I did some price checking on some items I was thinking about getting at Dollar General. And guess what? Dollar General is cheaper, particularly with my coupons and my 5 off 25. So we're going to go pick those up there. And then the Dollar Tree. We always have to check the Dollar Tree. It changes constantly, especially with your food items. And let me tell you, I picked up an item here a couple weeks ago, and they've not had it since, and it was a wonderful item. It was a kitty litter additive, and man, it was awesome. They only had 2 left when I got here, and I've been looking for it ever since. So yeah, check your local Dollar Tree. And in my Dollar Tree, they have fresh bread. Yes, fresh bread for $1.25. Bread that you would pay $3 to $4 for in other stores, they've got it here in my Dollar Tree. So if you haven't been to your Dollar Tree lately, go check it out, especially for your seasonal stuff. So blessings, guys. I hope you enjoyed our store tour. Okay, also, let me know if you guys would enjoy more Dollar Tree little field trips, because like I said, it does change quite often. And if so, we can include some of those in here as well.